Hey guys, and welcome to Car Guy 1999 Reviews. Today, thanks to Tony, I'll have his Instagram in the description below, we have his 1992 Acura NSX. Now, I have not driven an NSX, or previous gen NSX. I've driven the new one. I've never driven an original. This one has some nice mods. I'll have them in the description because if I had a mod list, I'd forget it. But I will start out and say this is not a wrap. This is hand painted. Matter of fact, he keeps a badge, hand painted by Mike's Auto Body. I can't remember the exhaust name, but it is loud as all can be. Again, it's gonna be in the description. But yes, hand painted. Engine wise, it's all stock. No like turbocharger or nothing like that. Oh God, help me. I'm a fat American. Now Tony told me for voiceover and stuff like that, he said good luck talking. It's that loud, trust me. I've driven it here. I am like stressing about this front splitter. Oh. The most nerve-wracking part is it's not mine and it's so nice. I don't want to break anything. I found a nice road, so we're working our way there. Making our way downtown, driving slow. Oh God, help me. Freaking thing. Whew. God, this is stressful. Oh, Lord have mercy. Where's first? I found first. Jesus. Oh, I definitely should have gone. Figure out where I'm going eventually. Oh my God. Whew. I think I found freedom. I think I know where I am now. I think I still can't tell a whole splitter. Oh, splitter. Hey, I've been here for a car show. I know where I'm going now. Sort of. Not really. I got navigation on the way back, so I don't really care where I go. Oh! God, Lord. Massachusetts, you need to pave your roads. They're not built for a first-gen NSX. I want to say the exhaust is Pride. I think that name's ringing a bell for me. Yeah, that's why we can't really talk. Haha. Please don't go. Thank you. I'm bright blue. You should be able to see me. Listen to this. Ha ha ha. Hello. I think we have a traffic light here. I'm not sure though. Oh, it's so stressful because it's not mine. If this was a dealership car or personal cars, it's so stressful doing this. What are we waiting for? Do we have a light? I legitimately cannot see. Oh, power steering. I might be going, oh no, we do have a light. Okay, I'm happy now. But this thing is just, oh, so much fun. Once I can get it on the frickin' road. Alright, this is starting to drive me nuts. You're telling me we don't have a traffic light right now? Can I drive the car, please? Can I, like, can we go at any point today? No? Oh, I don't have power steering. If I do, it's extremely heavy. Oh, this is absolutely ridiculous. I know the second I start to go around this car, it's gonna turn green. But this is absolutely ridiculous, so. U-turns? Sure. I'm gonna do it. That's better. See if there's a cop, but woohoo! I should have taken that exit. Damn it. start making my way back. Thank you guys so much for watching. Thank you, Tony, for letting me drive this thing. What a car. I'm a little bit more relaxed now so I can talk about it. But what a car. This is unbelievable. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please like, share, subscribe. I'll see you all in the next one.